We used to think our solar system was normal. 8 planets, 1 star. Simple. But as we explored the universe, we discovered planets so strange, so impossible, that they shattered everything we thought we knew about how planets form. Today, we count down 10 strange planets that defy all logic. Stay until the end. Number 1 will make you question the laws of physics. 55 Cancri A is twice the size of Earth, and scientists believe its surface is covered in diamonds. Not metaphorically, literally. The planet is so rich in carbon, and the pressure is so extreme, that scientists calculate the interior is made of crystallized carbon. In other words, diamond. The entire planet. A planet made of diamond, 8 times the mass of Earth, orbiting its star so close that a year lasts only 18 hours. The surface temperature is over 2,000 degrees Celsius. A diamond planet on fire. From a distance, HD 189733b looks beautiful. A deep, vivid blue, like Earth from space. But do not be fooled. This planet rains glass, sideways, at 8,700 kilometers per hour. The atmosphere contains silicate particles, which condense into glass droplets as they cool. Those glass droplets, driven by winds faster than anything on Earth, create a perpetual storm of razor-sharp glass shards, flying sideways, at nearly Mach 7. The most beautiful planet we have discovered is also one of the most lethal. WASP-12b is being eaten alive. Its star is so close and so massive that it is literally pulling the planet apart. Material from WASP-12b is being ripped away, flowing toward the star like a cosmic river. The planet is losing the equivalent of the entire mass of Earth every 3 years, and it is getting closer to its star every year. In about 3 million years, WASP-12b will be completely consumed. We are watching a planet die in real time, slowly being devoured by its own sun. Our moon reflects about 12% of the sunlight that hits it. TRES-2b reflects less than 1%. It is darker than coal, darker than black paint, darker than anything we have ever measured. It absorbs almost all light that touches it. Scientists are not sure why. No known chemical or physical process fully explains why this planet is so dark. It orbits its star at close range, yet reflects almost none of the light back. A planet so dark, it is nearly invisible, even when it passes in front of its star. GJ1214b is covered entirely in water, not oceans with land underneath. Water all the way down, thousands of kilometers deep. But here is where it gets strange. The pressure at the bottom is so extreme that the water becomes a form of ice. Not cold ice, hot ice. Ice that exists at temperatures of hundreds of degrees Celsius. Because the pressure is so crushing, it forces the water molecules into a solid state even at extreme heat. A planet covered in boiling hot ice. Underneath a global ocean thousands of kilometers deep. Star Wars fans will recognize this one. Kepler-16b orbits 2 stars simultaneously, just like the fictional planet Tatooine. Every day on Kepler-16b, there are 2 sunsets, 2 sunrises, 2 shadows for every object. The planet sits in what scientists call the habitable zone, the region where liquid water could exist. But Kepler-16b is a gas giant, with no solid surface to stand on. Still, it proved that planets like Tatooine are not just science fiction. They are real, they exist, and there may be many more of them. This planet should not exist. It orbits a pulsar, a dead star, spinning 10,000 times per minute. But here is the truly strange part. This planet was once a star itself, a companion star, slowly drained of its material by the pulsar over billions of years, until almost nothing was left. Just a dense, crystalline remnant, orbiting the star that devoured it. A planet made from the corpse of a dead star. Scientists call it a zombie planet, because it should be dead, but somehow it survived. On HATP-7b, it rains rubies and sapphires. The atmosphere contains corundum, the mineral that forms rubies and sapphires on Earth. On the day side of the planet, temperatures reach over 2,500 degrees Celsius, hot enough to vaporize the corundum. On the night side, it cools and condenses, falling as gemstone rain. Ruby and sapphire droplets raining from alien clouds on a planet 1,000 light-years from Earth. We already mentioned hot ice on GJ1214b, but Gliese 436b takes it further. This planet is covered in burning ice at temperatures of over 300 degrees Celsius. The pressure is so immense, the ice cannot melt, even at those temperatures. But that is not the strangest part. The planet is also losing its atmosphere. Hydrogen gas is streaming away from it, forming a massive comet-like tail stretching millions of kilometers behind it. A planet on fire, covered in ice, with a comet tail, all at the same time. According to everything we know about planet formation, ROXS-42, BB should not exist. It is 9 times the mass of Jupiter, and it orbits its star at a distance so extreme that our models of planet formation cannot explain it. Planets form from the disk of material around a young star, but at the distance ROXS-42 orbits, there simply was not enough material to form a planet this size. And yet, there it is, staring back at our telescopes, defying our models, defying our equations, existing in complete violation of what physics says is possible. Every time we look at it, we are reminded that the universe does not read our textbooks. It does not follow our rules. It simply exists on its own terms, whether we understand it or not. The universe contains billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars, and around those stars, trillions of planets, each one unique, each one strange, each one following rules we are still trying to understand. We have discovered only a tiny fraction of what is out there, and already, reality has surprised us beyond imagination. What else is waiting to be found? Which planet shocked you the most? Comment below. We read every single one. If this video blew your mind, hit the like button. Subscribe to Cosmic Truths for mind-blowing facts every week. See you in the next one. And here is what makes all of this truly extraordinary. Every single planet on this list was discovered in the last 30 years. Before 1995, we had never confirmed a single planet outside our solar system. Not one. Today, we have confirmed over 5,500 exoplanets, and scientists estimate there are trillions more, trillions of worlds, each one unique, each one waiting to be discovered. The universe is not running out of surprises, it is just getting started.